Situated behind me is a wonderful new extension to our classroom block, and that is our recently opened Math Centre. This building ultimately will be off-grid. The aptly named Sky Room offers such stunning panoramic views over treetops, and it is an ideal, generous space for team teaching, workshops, and just general gatherings.
Below our wonderful Sky Room, we have 4 spacious and airy classrooms. Each of these classrooms have been equipped with ergonomic furniture, interactive boards, and underfloor heating. These prized learning environments are well supported by smaller rooms which can be used for collaboration.
I extend a warm invitation to you, our parents, old girls, friends of St. Anne's, to pop in, pay us a visit and come and see our lovely new Math Centre. You may just wish that you were at school again, and come and see how we nurture women of significance.